Good morning, everyone. In this module, we continue with The Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 3. A quick recapitulation of the scene. The scene takes place in Venice, a street. The characters present in the scene are Shylock, El Celerino, Antonio, and Jailer. The importance of the scene is the scene shifts to a street in Venice. It brings Antonio's miserable plight to the forefront. All pleas for mercy for Antonio are ignored by Shylock. It is evident that the Jew is after Antonio's life to avenge all the wrongs done to him. The moneylender repeats emphatically, "I'll have my bond." Shylock accuses the jailer of favoritism for allowing Antonio to come out of the prison. Salarino tries to comfort Antonio. Salarino hopes for some mercy from the Duke, but it is clear that the Duke will pass his judgment strictly according to the laws of Venice. The Duke must be impartial, for the prosperity of Venice depends on international trade. Once the laws are violated and justice denied, Venice will lose its trade and prosperity. Antonio, who is awaiting his end, prays for the arrival of Bassanio to bid him last farewell. Now we recapitulate the scene with the help of few question and answers. Where does the scene take place? The answer is Venice, a street. Why does Shylock ask the what does Shylock ask the jailer to do? The answer is look to him. Shylock asked the jailer to look to him. Here, him is Antonio. That is, the jailer must have a careful watch upon Antonio. Next question, give the meanings of lent out money grates. It means lends money free of interest. Next, beware my fangs. Answer, be careful of my teeth. What justice does Shylock seek from the Duke? The justice that Shylock seeks from the Duke is of having his bond. Next question. Can the Duke deny the course of law to the strangers? Why? No, the Duke cannot deny the course of law to the strangers. Why? Because it will much impeach the justice of the state. Next question. What final wish does Antonio express before he would die? The final wish of Antonio which Antonio expresses before he would die is he prays God that Bassanio comes to see him pay his debt. Here his is referred to Bassanio's debt, and then he cares nothing. That is, and then Antonio cares nothing. With this we come to the end of Act 3, Scene 3. In the next module, we will begin with Act 3, Scene 4. Thank you, children.